Hello everyone, good afternoon. It's the girl Sylvia. If today is the first time you are just seeing my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. So guys, today matter now about one of our sister. This our sister say she and her husband comot for the country when they first dey come Germany. So as they reach Germany, this our sister with her husband, they dey one room. They come put them, give them house, they welcome them, they give them place to stay. He say before you know, her husband can't get the way he dey do. Her husband can't get the way he dey do. He say she no come understand her husband again. The way her husband say they make different calls, the way her husband go, if she with her husband go they play, her husband phone go just ring, her husband go just waka, he go comot go make the call for outside. Say she no even know wetin dey happen. Her mind don still suspect say this man, he sure say he no get wetin this my husband dey do. So he say her mind no go there. Or wetin she just think, wetin just dey her mind say na maybe na him friends na him dey call am, say he no want make as a woman, maybe he no want make she know wetin dem dey discuss, na make am go dey pick the call for outside. He say na so her husband dey do every time. Na so her husband dey do every day, every time. He say sometimes her husband go say he dey comot 3 days, 2 days, 1 week, her husband no go come house. He say he go dey say wetin dey happen, wetin dey happen. My husband no be like this when I know am. Wetin dey go on? Na me dey talk say before you know man, before you go accept say yes, say you wan follow man, you wan dey born for man, you need to know that man well, watch am well, know wetin know how that man, wetin that man dey do. You understand? So he say this man go comot 2 weeks, 1 week, 3 days, this man no go come. He go dey call this man number, him number go say, madam, the number you are calling is not available. Say the number no dey go. He say na so, say she go dey the house when government give her. Only she go dey there, she go cry morning till night. Say God, wetin she go put herself? Wetin she go put herself? She no want to dey suspect say her husband dey waka one kind waka. So now for there, as her husband no come dey stay house, because the place when they give her, when they give she and her husband na camp. So for there, so there is this our sister now go dey, she come dey, you say she come dey make new friends. She come dey make friends for the camp because girls full there, people full there now. Since her husband no dey stay house, one that two go dey discuss, dey talk one on one. You understand? So she say she come dey make new friends. So she come dey go dey visit them for house. He say sometimes her husband go still call am say you dey okay, you dey fine. She go say say she dey fine. No, where you go? If they call your number, you no dey go. Where you dey? Wetin dey happen? Where you go? He say her husband go tell am say he just go work, make he no worry, everything go dey okay, make he just dey the camp. Say he go work, he go come, he go still come back house. He say this her wife say he go say okay, no problem. If you wan go work, make you dey tell me say you wan comot for house. You understand, guys? The man go say no worry, na just they just quick call me, I not just put mind say I go even travel, na make I just comot that day. No worry, na better thing na I go come outside. The woman go say okay, make it be better thing. So that's why this woman come dey only this woman come dey stay, this man no even dey get time for her as a woman. Now you understand? The woman, the girl say she go just dey cry morning till night. She go just dey cry. He say one day na so e go dey o, say she go cry morning till night. Na so she go dey cry. He say na so she dey o. He say one day as she wan go buy something, na one boy call am say, madam. He say, sir. Now he come go meet the boy o. Na the boy tell am say, where your oga? He say, my oga go work o. Na the boy say, your oga go work? He say, your oga go work? He say, she say, the boy ask am reach 3 times. She say, my oga go work. He say, madam, wetin I wan just tell you, make your eye, this your eye, so make sure say your eye open. He say, now she come ask the boy, say, what do you mean by make my eye open? He say, na wetin he get to tell you. Wetin he get to tell you, na be that one. Say, na the brother waka, he leave am o. He say, she come dey reason the word when that boy tell am, say, wetin make this boy tell me this kind this word, so make my eye open. Wetin you that one mean? He say she come throughout that night, she no sleep. She come reason that word when that boy tell her. He say for there, as her husband come, now he come say, Oni o, this work when you dey go, how far? Tell me more about this work. Your husband say, abeg, I don tire. I don tire. I just dey so. I just need to relax. I just need to eat. Give me food. So now she give the man food. Now the man back, he go sleep. And so the next day again, the man comot for house. He said the only day when this man, after as the man don comot again, when he say come, as he comot again, the man no question when he ask this man, the man no give her the answer. The next day, the man comot say he dey go work. So that is the man comot o. He say as the man come back, na so the man no phone no dey rest. The man phone come dey ring. Before you know, this man don run go outside middle of the night, go dey make call. Phone go ring. Anyway, this man dey go, he go put food for pocket. If the man wan go toilet, he go carry phone follow body. If the man wan go bath, they go bathroom, he go carry his phone follow body. This woman come dey say she come dey say, wetin come dey happen? Wetin dey happen? Say she fed that. So one boy tell her say make she open eye. Wetin dey happen? He say that she come to open her eye. He say na so he dey one day, na there. As she go greet one of her friends, one of her girlfriend for the camp when she with her husband dey. He say na they for call tell her say, you where you dey? Now he say where I dey. No be me dey with una so. He say you don't know wetin your husband dey do, wetin dey happen, wetin don dey ring for this camp, wetin don dey sing. Everybody for this camp don't know wetin your husband dey do. You see, na so she come put hand for chest, say, you don't know where they dey. Wetin dey happen? More than wetin my husband do. My husband dey okay. He say they come tell am say, your husband carry girl for Africa, for Nigeria. Say the carry one girl come and they talk, so say the girl na last. May just say the girl, so you never too tell when the girl enter Germany. So say they talk, so this girl, so say the girl don't get belle for her husband. She don't almost, she go say even born. Next, you see, na so she open mouth. Oh, he say mouth no. He say you don't feel close her mouth. Now he say, what now they tell me so? Say she not believe. Man when he marry, say she not believe. Now they say that now those her girlfriend come say, okay, they don't tell you. Say this thing don't they since when her husband they travel. So now that girl, now the boy go they meet. This girl, she was shocked. She was confused. If you say that's so she open her mouth. Fly when they pass, they enter her mouth. He said she never feel close mouth. Now, Fogotland say, calm down, calm down. Now, just you just need to iron this case with cool mind. Not to they shout, to they vibrate. You just need to calm down. And they talk so. I told those their girlfriend, they tell her so. He said the man on the house. The man no even dey house as they tell am this matter so. The man tell am say he dey go work. So the man tell am. He say na so he come say cocoa body, they come e friend. The way he say shock. Say he no fit go house, so na e friends na come carry am, package her, carry am go keep for house. He say na there he come call her sister, say see wetin I dey pass through. See oh. He saw those one come talk say this matter e pass them. Say they no know wetin they go do. You see how she dey talk now. Say she herself she get belle. Now come say show man wey no dey stay house. How you come say fit give you belle? He say the small time when the man say they come house, they quick dey do sharp own. Say they quick dey they quick dey do sharp before you go say run comot again. Say wetin she wan do now. Now I say as you dey ask me this question, so me I don't know wetin I go do. Now make I bring this topic, I bring this matter come here. See abeg, my people, my loving people, no na help me chook mouth for this matter. How una reason am, how una look am. If this girl come say make he leave this boy tomorrow now, what of the pikin when because she don already get belle now, what about that belle when she come get? Make she go comot am, no be me talk am o. I dey ask question. Or make this girl make she dey, make the other one, because that other girl when they say the house, I mean when she say her husband bring come for Nigeria, they say that one don't get belle, she go see evil born self. Say that one don't get belle, she go see evil born. How una reason this matter? This the man now come out and say you go ask your husband say wetin make am do this kind thing. He say he has her husband though. Her husband tell am say no be he carry am come o. Na the girl na he come by herself o. Say as the girl come, so na the girl call am because na him ex-girlfriend for Africa. Na that two fair day for Africa. See as the girl come, he no know how the girl say get him number o. So the girl come say they call am o. Na he say make he say go greet the girl. Make he say make he see this girl face. He say na there o. Now another thing for come happen. Another one come see go happen. He say na he cause everything. Na the girl say go get belle. Now I say this matter is strong o. Only me one no go fit hear this one. Now I say make I carry and come give my people. More than see chook mouth put o. More than see wetin people dey do people for this life. How una see this matter? If I say make this girl make he comot for husband, make he leave this her husband now, they go say na me comot girl for husband house. If you when they look me so, if you come across this video, put your comment, give this guy, this our sister advice. What did she need to do? Make she stay this marriage, or make she comot for, make she leave this man. How person go just dey two man go just dey go see one marry two wife for Europe? I never see this kind thing before. I never see this kind thing before. It's not what she dey pass through now. Now you say make you bring am come, no na advise her. Make she for know what she go do. But now what for some men o? Now what for some men? You and woman just dey house. You go dey call another woman for Africa, for Nigeria. If you don't love this woman, you don't love this woman, una together day. Why you not tell and say go meet una go two hosts down? You go tell the woman say, sorry no vex as it can't be so, as it can't they do me now, I don't like you again. Fine. The woman man go waka and her own, you say you go waka your own. Not be say you go there with this one, you go there with the woman, you go say they control another one come. The one wey come ring my brain, wey come shock me. Money wey dey pay them. Money wey dey pay them. He said, if they pay them the money, this woman, so say if they pay them the money, he said her husband go tell her say, bring am, make we dey gather am, make we dey save am. He say all I hope now be say this money when they give them. He say all I hope be say this money when they give them, so say the money dey bank. You no know say the money now he say go carry another woman for Africa, for Nigeria. Say carry the girl enter house. Ha! But na different thing na people dey see for this life. Oh, na different thing na people dey see for this life. So my people, abeg, make una advise this woman wetin she need to do. If na for her to still dey the marriage, because the man now dey talk say he dey beg now, say abeg, say no be fault o, na you don't know wetin the girl you use for am o, blah blah blah, this and this o, as e come be so, say he go marry their two. Imagine, say he go marry their two. Make the girl forgive am o, make this our sister forgive am. The other when he bring come for Africa, that one go still born. This our sister too now, this one now still get belle. So abeg, make una chook mouth, make una put comment so that she go read am, make she for know wetin she go do. Thank you guys. Now wetin I get to talk now be this one. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.